Hey everyone! So for today's video, we're talking about appspatch.com. Is it actually legit or just another scam? Let's find out. First, appspatch.com claims to offer modded apps and premium APKs for free. If you go to the website, you'll see a lot of popular apps listed with download links. But here's the thing, websites like this are often risky. Many of these modded APKs can come with malware or hidden viruses that can harm your phone or even steal your data. I also noticed that appspatch.com doesn't have clear contact info or an official team behind it. That's usually a red flag. Legit websites will always show you who runs them and have real support channels. Plus, if you try downloading, some users reported that the site redirects you through multiple ads and sometimes asks for with permissions. That's another sign to be careful right there. So is it legit? Honestly, I'd say use it on your own risk. If you care about your phone security, it's better to stick with trusted sources like Google Play Store or official app websites. At the end of the day, free isn't always safe, so stay smart online. Thank you for watching this video.